Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Pueblo local and long-distance movers near me. Regarding moving within Pueblo, 3Movers is your trusted local moving company. They specialize in helping you relocate your home within the city with ease and efficiency. They know the best routes to take, ensuring a timely and efficient move. 3Movers takes the utmost care when handling your precious possessions. They are trained to pack, load, and transport your items securely, minimizing the risk of damage during the move. If your move takes you beyond the boundaries of Pueblo, 3Movers is here to provide exceptional long-distance moving services. Whether you're moving to another city within Colorado or embarking on an interstate relocation, their experienced team ensures a smooth and efficient move. 3Movers understands the complexities involved, from logistics and planning to navigate different state regulations. Within their expertise, they ensure a seamless transition to your new destination. We employ strict safety protocols to protect your items during transportation. We provide transparent pricing with no hidden costs, ensuring you receive a fair and affordable quote for your long-distance relocation. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pueblo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.